We are going to apply some font formatting to some of our text. And we are going to go all the way up to slide 1. And we are going to select our title. So I'm going to triple click on that, okay, because that highlights everything in the placeholder. And then we're going to turn on the italics. And then I'm going to highlight my subtitle by triple clicking. And they want us to increase the font size, so we'll go ahead and click on that. And then they want bold facing. And we're going to go down to slide 6. And they would like us to pick phase 1, so let's highlight that. And then we're going to underline it. They would like us to do the same thing to phase 2 and phase 3. So you can use your mini toolbar here. You can click on the U. You can also press F4, extend. Any of those techniques will work to get the underlining on there. I'm going to go all the way up to slide 1 again. And we're going to highlight our title. So we're going to triple click. And we're going to click on the font list arrow. And we're going to choose Cambria. Now, if you know the name of the font, you can actually start typing it in. And the minute you see the right font, you can just press enter. And we're going to go down to slide 6. And we're going to highlight phase 1 again. And now they want us to remove the underlining. So let's turn that off. And they would like us to turn on bold facing. Now, in addition to changing this to bold faced, we are going to change the font to Cambria. And we're going to adjust the font size to 28. Now we're going to apply those same changes to phase 2. So I'm going to select phase 2 and press F4. And that does everything but remove the underlining. So we're also going to do phase 3. Actually, let's format paint. I think that'll work better. Double click on that, because that'll give us our font that we want to. Okay, and then once you're done, click and turn that off. Now you do not need to worry about printing. I'm going to save, but I am going to show you how to do a range or individual slides, because that is what they had wanted you to take a look at. So they had wanted slides 1 and 6. And to do that, all you'd have to do is do a 1, comma, and a 6. Okay, that tells that you want those 2 slides. Now, if you wanted a range, let's say slides 2 through 4, it's just 2-4. Okay, and if you take that out, it automatically does all of the slides. Default is for full page slides, which is what you see. Quite often people choose handouts, and they wanted you to see what the 2-slide handout looks like. And you do not need to print anything, so we're just going to go back into our normal view. Make sure you save your changes.